Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue PS5 automatically turning on or off with the TV. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. First to go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Go to system. Under system select HDMI. Under HDMI we can find enable HDMI device link. Under that you can find two options, enable one touch play, enable power off link. Disable these three options. Done. So this way we can fix that issue. Please check it. So this way we can fix PS5 automatically turning on or off with TV problem. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. If you have any doubt, please comment.